Hi, I'm Marna, and as you can see, I have another Ali haul. Oh my goodness, I love AliExpress and hate it at the same time. Still arguing with them over a couple.
I forgot to tell you, you did get fully refunded for that doll that came with the wrong hair color.
Thank you.
Yes, we looked into that, and I did eventually, but I forgot to tell you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I know what these are. And I love them. These are for my goats. I used to use bigger bells, and I probably will when I find them, but I found these at AliExpress, and you put these on their collar, and then you know where they are. So that's very cool.
You're like you're in Switzerland.
Yeah. Remember those Switzerland bells I actually had? They were so, I did. I had gorgeous goat bells. It was kind of my second hobby. Okay. This is my first announcement for this. I am planning, hear the word planning, to make Blythe Advent Calendar, blind bag, Christmas countdown kits, or how would you call it? You know what, I'm going to cut this in a second because I can't find the, I'm about as patient as what, Darren?
I don't know. I'm sure there's some clever saying out there, but I can't think of one.
Oh gosh, I can't find, I don't want to tear anything because these, okay, so what we're going to do, the plan is I'm going to have five Blythe dolls that are going to be put into, oh, they gave me a little extra, little earrings. Well, aren't those cute for a little girl for Barbie? That was very nice of them, seriously. There's going to be 5 to choose from. Everyone will be a bit different. Each one will have a Blythe doll and what did we just say? 26 items, I think it is, that goes with them. Now there'll be variations in the theme and variations in the colors, but there'll be blind bag. You won't see what it is. I'm going to open one starting December 26th, and then we're going to give one away on our channel, and then we're going to have 3 for sale. And these are going into it. So throughout the year, you will see items that I say, oh, these go in the Blythe Christmas countdown boxes. So that's what those are.
Advent calendar.
Well, Advent, yes, that's exactly. But we're kind of giving it a different name because remember the different themes we have? Okay, this is weird. That's very weird. These are rabbit treats. I just bought 4 rabbits. I used to have rabbits, show rabbits, train rabbits. I have a website called rabbitagility.com. I have trained rabbits to do agility and jumps. Anyway, I ordered these, and it said on there that they sent them back, remember?
Mm-hmm.
And here they are. That's weird. Okay, let's be careful.
Well, it means we have no outstanding AliExpress
We have
problems.
no problems with AliExpress, so I could start over. I love AliExpress. You know, you can't beat the prices. You can't. And I like getting it in the mail. It's fun. This also is a coat. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. A little coat for the Blythe Advent calendars that we have coming up next year. This year.
101 Dalmatians.
Yeah. And what I like is, you know, some people say, oh, I don't like animal print. I do, because I like the prints that animals have. This wasn't taken from an animal, so to me, it's a compliment to them. You're so pretty, I want to look like you. Here's another one I ordered. Now we got to try these on a Blythe foot, because these are also for the Advent calendar, and oh, I hope they fit. We will try these, but I won't say if they do. No, you know I love a doll on skates. Ooh, 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 ooh. Very cute. Well, that stuff's just marching in, isn't it? We had decided to do this after the 2023 BlytheCon. We talked about it on the way home, and I have some items already. I have some items to sew. We had all these ideas, and then I don't know, we got really busy and didn't finish. And this year I said, you know what? Next year we are doing that. I'm halfway there. All right, what is this?
It's kind of like our Pumpkinhead Blythe doll competition that had been brewing for years. We never forget an idea. We just
Don't get to it. Yeah, we had planned on doing the Pumpkinhead Blythes for how many years? 3 or 4. And we just never, it came and it went. These are for my Smart Dolls. Oh, those are so sexy. Guess which one? Put in the, if you know any of my Smart Dolls, and especially a recent purchase about a cartoon character, put in the comments who you think these sexy
Well,
stockings
that was a
are for.
giveaway. Even I know who you're talking about now.
Well, yeah. But that's okay. Let's see who doesn't know. And it's okay if you don't know. You need to watch more of my videos.
I watch every one of your videos.
Aren't these cute? Well, I must have sat down one day and just bought all kinds of stuff for the Advent, because these are for that too. Very, very, very cute. Okay. If you watch Tina's Reborns and more, and if you don't, you should. Tina and I, for the last at least 3 years, I got a free gift. I never, ever get a free gift, but look at that, I did. I got a little dress. It looks, I bet that's cute. And I got my 2 hands. Tina and I, each year, well, actually, I know the last 3 years, at Christmas, we have been taking a green-haired Blythe doll, kind of a thing, green-haired Blythe doll, and doing different face-up characters. We do their face-ups, and then we make them outfits. And this past year, we did clowns, Christmas clowns. We have done, what else have we done? Elves, and, oh gosh, I can't remember. Tina, put it in the comments what else we have done. Tina and I have done, she's really cute. Her hair is not as thick. It's not thin by any means. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Tina and I have already decided what our next year project's going to be with our green-haired dolls. We plan way ahead. Let's see this girl. This is also a doll I'm going to do a collab with Tina coming up. To be honest, at this moment, I can't remember what we said we were going to do with these girls, but I've written it down. I always write everything down. This is one of my very favorite Blythe dolls. I absolutely love this strawberry blonde hair. I don't know why. When they first came out with these dolls, they were really nice, the wigs. Now, they almost need a haircut, and that's not a problem. Tina and I knew that. But I like these girls because right out of the box, they don't need a face-up. You can just dress them and go. And you can do that with any of them. Don't misunderstand. Where's her blue eyes? But this hair lately isn't as nice. It's nice to the touch. There's a lot of it. But look how I don't know, it's like they've decided that this particular doll gets kind of a shag. Remember the shags from the 70s? But she's a beautiful doll, and Tina and I have something planned. I wouldn't tell you if I knew, but I have forgotten at this moment. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.